Imagine this: a brilliant doctor makes a catastrophic mistake. One day could ruin his career forever. But instead of disaster, it sparks the greatest medical breakthrough in history, saving billions of lives. What if I told you this failure is the reason you are alive today? Stick around because this untold story will blow your mind and you won't believe the twists. Hit that like button if you are ready for the truth. Hey everyone, welcome back to Inspire. Today we are uncovering doctor's failure become a miracle. The untold medicine story. This is not just any tale, it's about how one sloppy oversight in a lab turned into a life saving miracle. But here's the hook: this doctor was not trying to save the world, he was forgetful. By the end, you will see why this oops movement revolutionized medicine forever. If you are not mind blowing science, smash that subscribe and bell icon so you never miss out. Let's jump in. 1928. The world is still reeling from World War One, and deadly infections are everywhere. No antibiotics, yeah. You had the right, a simple cut could kill you. Enter Dr. Alexander Fleming, a Scottish bacteriologist at St. Mary's Hospital. He's no slouch, he's hunting ways to fight bacteria like Staphylococcus, the nasty bug behind boils, pneumonia, and worse. But Fleming's lab, total mess, papers everywhere, petri dishes, stacked like forgotten pizza boxes. One hot summer day, he heads off for a 2 week vacation with his family. In his rush, he leaves some stuff, cultures uncovered on his bench. Big no in science, small spores float in from the open window and satellite in flaming. Comes back, ready to drive in. He starts sorting his dishes and freezes. One culture is ruined. Blue-green mold has invaded, but wait around the mold. The bacteria are dead, vanished like a force field wiping them out. Was this a total failure or something huge? Hold on, what if this contamination was not random? What secrets was this mold hiding? Keep watching because the real miracle is just getting started. Fleming names the mold Penicillium notatum. He tests it, boom, it kills a ton of deadly bacteria, but spares human cells. He published his findings in 1929, calling the substance penicillin. Sounds like a win, right? Wrong. Here's the untold part. No one cares. Scientists dismiss it as a fluke. Fleming struggles to purify. It's unstable, hard to produce. He even gives up, thinking it's just a lab. Curiosity fast forward aside. World War II erupts. Soldiers are dying from infected wounds, millions at risk. Enter Howard Florey at Ernst Chen at Oxford. They dashed off Fleming's paper and think, what if we scale this up with a team including unsung heroines like the Penicillin girls who grew the world in bedpans? They purify penicillin, first human test. A policeman with a deadly infection. It works until they run out. He dies, heartbreaking failure, almost, but they push on by 1943. Mass production kicks in thanks to American labs finding a super strain of mold on a cantaloupe. D-Day, penicillin saves thousands from gangrene. The war's turning point. Partly this miracle drug question for you. What if Fleming had cleaned his lab? No mud, no discovery. Would we have antibiotics today? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Did fate play a hand or was it pure luck? The miracle. Penicillin drops infection death rates from 90% to under 1%. It saved over 200 million lives since, maybe even yours or allowed once. But the untold story, Fleming's failure was not his alone. Florey Chen and Hartley shared the 1945 Nobel Prize with him, but women like Margaret Campbell Renton, who optimized production, got zero credit. And get this, early penicillin was recycled from patients' urine to save every drop. This is not just history, it's a reminder. Failures can birth miracles. Today's suburbs, we are fighting resistance, echoing flaming squid. What breakthroughs are hiding in our mistakes right now? So there you have it. A doctor's lazy cleanup become humanity's greatest weapon against disease. Mind blowing, right? If this story hooked you, like and share it with friends who love science twists. Comment below. What's your favorite failure and success story? Subscribe for more untold histories and stories that will keep you watching till the end. Thanks for turning and see you next time.